The chemistry department at Monmouth College is American Chemical Society accredited. What that means is that we are nationally recognized by the American Chemical Society, and every course that we offer is the course that employers are looking for in terms of a chemistry graduate.
I love the CSB building. The labs are incredible. There's equipment here that I've never seen before.
What sets us apart is what's known as the Dept funds. So we have some money that lets us offer scholarships to students. We then take those students, and once they're here, we have a summer program that's 8 weeks long that lets us do summer research to give the students experience. And then we have money to take those students to national conferences, and they get to present their research to kind of the wide chemistry world.
Our students go about a third to grad school, a third into industrial companies, and a third to medical school. And when they go into these programs, the goal is often the PhD, and that is what they end up earning. We have state-of-the-art instrumentation. We are always getting new instrumentation through an endowment that we have. And so just this year, we bought some new spectrophotometers. And what happens with that is the older ones then go into the classroom space. And so if you're taking forensic science, for example, as a non-major, you get to use some of this high-tech equipment.
The benefit of coming to a small school like Monmouth is students actually get to touch those instruments.
I know if I went to a bigger school, I'd never get to touch an HPLC or a rotovap or a flash. It's this really cool experience of I'm more confident than I feel I ever could have been at a bigger school using these advanced techniques because I was in a position to put my hands on these machines and mess up and fail.
Students can get jobs in industry right out of here because they actually have experience with things that not a lot of people do.
When you get into the lab, you really learn how to apply things. You learn how to solve problems. And the extensive research experience that our students are able to do allows them to have more experience in that area, and that's really what employers are looking for.
I chose Monmouth College because when we looked into the college, I realized that it was checking every box that I had set for myself of what I wanted in college. And we walked around and the campus was quiet. It was phenomenal. And then the next day I did like a tour, and just throughout the whole day, it felt immediately like home. I knew right away this is where I had to be, and it's where I stayed, and it's where I've loved to be.